In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Slack. If you want to update the name people see when they message you or view your profile, Slack makes it pretty simple. Your display name can help coworkers recognize you more easily, especially if you want to use a shortened version of your name or a name you go by professionally. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to update. To get started, open Slack and look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This opens the account options tied to your Slack identity, and it's the first place you'll need to access before making any profile changes. Once that menu appears, click on Profile. This takes you into the section where your personal information is displayed for others in your workspace. If you've never edited it before, this is also where you can review how your information currently appears to teammates. After your profile opens, look over to the right side and click Edit. This opens the editable profile fields, allowing you to make changes to your visible details. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're in your own profile and not viewing someone else's. Now, find the display name field and type in the display name you want to use. This is the name that will commonly appear across Slack conversations and mentions, so it's a good idea to choose something clear and recognizable. For example, many people use their first name, a shortened name, or a professional nickname that teammates already know. As you type, double-check spelling and formatting so everything looks the way you want it to. When you're happy with the new display name, click Save Changes. That confirms the update and applies it to your Slack profile. In most cases, the change will take effect right away, so your new display name should start appearing across your workspace immediately. And that's all it takes to change your display name in Slack. Just open your profile from the lower left corner, go to Profile, click Edit, enter your new display name, and save your changes. If your workspace has profile restrictions and you're unable to edit this field, you may need to contact a workspace admin for help. Otherwise, this is a quick update you can make anytime you want to refresh how your name appears in Slack.